How to log in to Hinge dating account. Go ahead and tap open your Hinge mobile application from your app drawer. The first interface of Hinge will be like this. To log into an existing account, tap the sign in button at the bottom of the page. You can sign into your Hinge account with your phone number or with a Facebook account. Select the same option that you chose while signing up for Hinge. Since I created an account with my phone number, let me tap on sign in with phone number option. On the next page, select your country from the drop down and enter your phone number registered with Hinge. After you are done, tap on the arrow at the bottom right. Now you'll receive a verification code sent on your mobile number via SMS. Simply go ahead and paste in the code or type it in and wait for a few seconds. After your phone number is verified, you'll be able to log into your Hinge dating account. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another quick tutorial video. Goodbye till then.